The light source tool. This is here under the basic tools, and this lets you place a source of light just with a simple left click. You can change whether the light is just an all-round 360 light or if it is a directional light. You can also change the color, the intensity, all that sort of stuff. The really cool thing is that this light can be stopped by walls, rooms, that sort of thing, by simply clicking this little icon over here. This is the blocking light icon. And this way you can put it in a room and say, let it go through doors. Or if you have it in a room with windows, you can let it go through the windows. It will also go through open doors. And if you move the light, when you're finished, it will dynamically change how it falls. You can rotate it. You can also place this outside, and if you have a window that allows light to pass through, it'll let light fall into your rooms. There are several other item types that will block light at the moment. City walls, buildings, rooms, corridors, anything that might have some height to them. You can also make a gradient light that goes through different colors by stacking different light sources on top of each other. So say if I had a white light and I want to go through like from orange to yellow to white, I'd simply place a yellow light on top of it that was slightly smaller, and then go and change this to an orange light. Cut it down to like half of the radius. Center it. And now you have a light that goes through different stages. And if you want it to be a more gradual stage, you can turn down the intensity. And now you have a very gentle light that goes from orange to yellow to white.